You probably have heard of the federal estate tax, but many people are unaware that Illinois also has an estate tax. The estate tax is a tax on the value of everything you own at your death, including the death benefit of life insurance. This is separate from income taxes with different rules. There is an unlimited marital deduction for estate taxes, so everything you leave your spouse reduces your taxable estate. In addition, everyone has an exemption amount. The exemption amount for the Illinois estate tax is $4 million per person. If you leave your entire estate to your spouse at your death, there will be no estate tax when you die. But then all the money you and your spouse have together will be stacked in your surviving spouse's taxable estate. And if that is more than $4 million, the estate tax will kick in. This tax can be a lot of money. For example, on a $6 million estate, the Illinois estate tax is $456,000. So if you and your spouse together have close to or more than $4 million, you should consider including tax planning in your estate plan. One thing we can do with married couples is use a bypass trust. A bypass trust is an estate planning tool that makes use of the first spouse's estate tax exemption. It's called a bypass trust because it bypasses the surviving spouse's taxable estate. Instead of leaving everything to your spouse outright, you leave some money, up to the Illinois exemption amount, to a bypass trust for your spouse. Your spouse can be the sole beneficiary during their lifetime and can be the trustee in charge of the money in the bypass trust. The spouse can use the money in the bypass trust for their maintenance and health costs, and then what is left passes to your children or other beneficiaries free of estate tax. And your spouse then also has their own estate tax exemption. Your legal insurance does not cover tax planning, so there are out-of-pocket legal fees to include a bypass trust in your estate plan. The legal fees for this additional planning are a few $1,000s, but the return on investment is significant. Like I said, the Illinois estate tax on a $6 million estate is $456,000. If your estate is large enough, this is something we will discuss in your consultation, and now you're prepared for it.